Highlight of the trading room. Highlight of the trading room is didn't think that this area would be support, and I didn't buy it or get long, but there was evidence that it was going to work as support. And I want to show you, as you see this right in here, rotate, 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 and they're just pounding on this level. And you get, first of all, we had some flash reds and green that you have to ignore, but we had this one who stuck and created, boom, the pop. And it was this short, everybody looking for this bottom to get taken out. And you could see that that created the pop, right? So everybody's looking for a breakout to the downside. And you know that just based on the pattern, but then to see it with all this red gives people the ability to either not get short and get stuck like this, or if you're bullish looking to fight for a location, fight for a spot, 23, 24, that's your win moment. It's like, what are you waiting for? Some of these greens and reds are just flashing in, probably due to rollover. And then on top of that, we had the moment of a big order right here, 400 lot open position, and he was exiting at 29.5. Let me show you down here. So then we had talked about in here, this was this was the spot that I was able to get it. I was talking about the 28s. I'm going to show that in a second. The 28s had some shorts that came in that I didn't think would bounce, but we did. This one was the 400 lot. So this is first of all, you see the amount of shorts, but we had a magnet. We were going to go to the 29 halves, and here's the 400 lot. I said above him, be careful short. Don't be short above this big long position. Here's the 400 lot exit. We know it's an exit because it's coming on our vertical right here, right? And then as soon as it gets filled, I've showed this in other highlights. You don't have to take my word for it or Dave's word for it. We're spotting longs and shorts. As soon as it goes, as soon as it gets filled, the green goes. Watch. Let's show it up here. As soon as that gets filled, the green's gone. Got to show it down here. Here's the green 25 half. As soon as it gets filled, which would have been in here, 25 half, it's gone. Why? Because he covered. Let me show you those 28s. I think that was back in here, wasn't it? Yeah. No, that's the 400. That's right here. This is after the fact. And I thought, you know what? They're not going to hold this 28 anymore. And then all this red came in. And bam, it popped. So I didn't think that they were going to hold these 28s because they had been tapping on it. But these shorts that would have competed with you to go short created the bounce. And you could see him come in. There, let me do this. You could see him come in before it pops. Forget about that red flash. But you see him come in right in here. That's a moment where if you're bullish, you get long. If you're bearish, you do not get short. Saving money is like making money. So the two highlights was the 400 lot long that created the magnet, and then you seen the win moment to play it up through there. A way to stay away from a breakout if you're bearish in this case, but it's using order flow and other people's positions as great step 2s and step 3s, aim and fire and ready, aim, fire. And this highlights, again, I had someone ask me, highlights of what? It's highlights of our daily trading room. Find out more at edgetradinggroup.com instead of those that email. Probably should do a better job telling you where you can find out more about this. Just remember, you got to know what the advantages are before you find them. If you don't know what edge you're looking for, how are you going to find it?